In 3 minutes, I cloned my own voice using ElevenLabs. What you're hearing right now is the clone, not me. You can't tell the difference. That is either the most impressive thing you've seen today, or it should scare you a little. Probably both. I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it, what it sounds like compared to the original, what ElevenLabs costs, and whether you should be using it in your content business right now. This is pixel proof, every tool reviewed, every video proven, and today's video, the narration you're hearing, was generated entirely with ElevenLabs. Let's go. So what is ElevenLabs? At its core, it's an AI audio platform. The flagship features are instant voice cloning, professional voice cloning, text-to-speech in over 30 languages, AI sound effects generation, and an audio dubbing tool that translates your content while keeping your voice. They've been around since 2022, and they're the company that most professional content creators turn to when they need voice AI that doesn't sound robotic. Pricing. There's a free tier that gives you 10,000 characters per month, enough to test, but not enough to produce at volume. The starter plan is $5 a month for 30,000 characters. Creator is $22 a month for 100,000 characters with access to the professional voice clone feature. Pro is $99 a month. For a YouTube channel producing 2 videos a week, Creator at $22 is the right tier. Now let me show you the 2 cloning options and why they're different. Instant voice clone. You upload 1 to 5 minutes of audio, ideally clean, no background noise, and ElevenLabs generates a clone in under a minute. The clone captures your pitch, your pace, your inflection. It doesn't sound exactly like you, but it sounds like a close cousin. For most content use cases, instant clone is good enough, and it's available on every paid plan. Professional voice clone, you submit 30 minutes of audio. ElevenLabs trains a custom model on your voice, and the result is indistinguishable from the real thing. This is what the narration you're currently hearing was made from. Professional cloning is available on Creator Plan and above and takes about 24 hours to train. Here's the test I ran. I recorded myself reading 2 paragraphs, the same 2 paragraphs, and then had ElevenLabs generate the same text using my professional clone. I'm going to play both back to back, and I want you to notice what's different. If you listened carefully, you caught 2 things. The clone has slightly more consistent pacing. It doesn't breathe or pause the way a real human voice does. And on certain consonant clusters, the pronunciation is a hair over-enunciated. In a production mix with music or ambient sound underneath, those differences disappear entirely. In a raw vocal track, you can hear it if you're listening for it. For a Faceless YouTube channel, this is a non-issue. For something that requires the authenticity of a real human voice, a podcast, a customer testimonial, legal narration, the clone would fail an attentive listener's test. Know your use case before you commit. Now, the 5-point scorecard. Quality, 5 out of 5. For professional voice clone, 4 out of 5 for instant clone. The professional clone is genuinely state-of-the-art. There is no better AI voice replication tool publicly available right now. Speed, 5 out of 5 for instant clone under 60 seconds. 2 out of 5 for professional clone, 24-hour wait for training. Once the professional clone is trained, generation is instant. Price, 4 out of 5. $22 a month for Creator gets you 100,000 characters. That's roughly 6 to 8 standard YouTube videos worth of narration. For the quality you get, that's an extraordinary value. The $5 starter plan is too limited for regular publishing. Jump straight to Creator. Learning curve, 5 out of 5. ElevenLabs has the cleanest interface of any AI tool I've reviewed. Upload audio, click generate, download. There is almost nothing to learn. The only friction is recording clean audio for the initial clone. A decent USB microphone in a quiet room is all you need. Affiliate value, 5 out of 5. ElevenLabs pays 22% commission on referred subscriptions for 12 months. A single Creator Plan referral pays roughly $58 over a year. A Pro Plan referral pays $264. If you're recommending one AI tool to your audience, and you can only pick one affiliate program, ElevenLabs has the best combination of conversion rate and recurring payout in the space. So is ElevenLabs worth it? The verdict, yes, without qualification. If you are building any kind of YouTube channel, podcast, or content business that involves narration, ElevenLabs is the single most important AI tool in your stack. The professional voice clone eliminates the need to record your own voiceover for every video. At creator pricing, you can narrate 20 plus videos a month for $22. Nothing else in the AI voice space comes close. The ethical question, should you clone your own voice? Yes, and you should disclose it, which I always do. Should you clone someone else's voice without permission? Absolutely not, and ElevenLabs has verification systems to prevent misuse of public figures' voices. The ElevenLabs affiliate link is in the description below. Creator Plan is where you want to start. The professional voice clone feature is available from day one. Next Tuesday, I'm testing ElevenLabs, the tool that turns static images into video. I gave it 5 product photos and 30 minutes. The result was better than I expected. Subscribe so you see what it can do. This is pixel proof. Every tool reviewed, every video proven.